Hey gang, yesterday I was at my storage unit picking up a couple things, and I noticed that a lot of the units had red locks on them, which means that they were being flagged for non-payment. So I was thinking about the storage auctions. I was like, are there any available in our area? Looked online, found one closing soon that had some toolboxes in it, some tools. Found a cheap price, put a bid on it, and we won. Let's see what we got. All right, we've got a toolbox. All right, got some stuff. All right. All right. Bunch of books, more toolboxes, extension cords, tools, another good ladder, jump, big pipe wrench, more jump, and a bed. Ugh. And an old cabinet. Yeah, all in all, good haul.